can do some, we have some output formatting. Like before we have done some basic wrapper, let's say outputs. Here we can do even better. Like here we can say, okay, we have some other stuff. This is too much, and we can just say, okay, wrapper.lib representation of the set of this is something and something else. So it can be really handy sometimes when you want just to just to summarize data or not have too much output. Sometimes you have too much output. Let's say we had some in the earliest here, for example, in the earliest things we had a lot to do with text. For example, we can just put it in here and have something like this. Okay, I don't want the whole input, I just want, for example, to know and locate something where it is, or even in the help, let's say here, like here, this huge list there, for example, like, okay, you can have this kind of, okay, I have this one, this second one, this third one, and I have other ones. So it gives you those first things, these first values, and not the rest. It comes pretty handy instead of having a huge input sometimes. I'll just take it out. Okay. Here we have the preprint function, which is also amazingly used. I use it always. Like you want, let's say you want to print this this dictionary or this object. Here, if you do print, you will print it on one line, which is really not helping to see the indentation. But you can do the preprint, and you can like see it in a very object manner where you can see a lot of things. You can use also the text wrap library, which can wrap your text to how many characters you want them to be wrapped to, just 50, for example, and you will have 50, 30. If you like writing poems or want to put some poems in a very nice way, or it can have, like text wrap can have some utility.